In this final video of our Mossberg 500 and 590 maintenance series, we'll be covering final reassembly. Begin by reinserting the elevator assembly into the rear of the receiver while gently squeezing the two halves together. Once inserted, align the pivot studs with their holes in the top of the receiver. Note that the safety must be in the on position during this operation. Now we can put the bolt back in through the front of the receiver and then slide the fore end back on the magazine tube and guide the action arms into the receiver. Now the slide assembly can be inserted and aligned with the action arms and the bolt so that everything meshes. At this point, the left and right shell stops can be inserted. Use one hand to hold the stops in place and replace the trigger group by working the front of the housing into the gun first and then pushing the rear portion into place. Line up the hole in the receiver with the one in the trigger group and start the retaining pin in by hand. Sometimes the pin will push right in with little effort, but usually you have to drive it in with the back of a screwdriver or a nylon hammer. Once you have it down flush with the receiver, you're ready for the barrel. With the action open, slide the breech into the barrel into the receiver. Then screw down the takedown knob good and tight and the gun is assembled. Be sure to run a function test without ammo, of course, by racking the action to make sure it locks up properly. Now we can give it one last wipe down and the job is done.